Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful V6 or efficient 4-cylinder engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power driver's seat, backup camera, AM/FM stereo with CD player, premium sound system, FWD, adjustable lumbar seats, power windows, power door locks, MP3 player, auxiliary audio input. Your new ride is just a phone call away.